what's going on, guys? Today I am in Clearwater, Florida at the Watercraft Superstore campus, and we're going to be visiting the Blacktip Jet Sports production facility where they're wrapping two of our Sea-Doo seat covers. One's being done in a black carbon fiber with a dark gray carbon fiber trim. The other's being done in a white carbon fiber with a light silver carbon fiber trim. But excited to see the seat covers. We're going to bring you guys with us through this lens right here so you can see the process of how Blacktip Jet Sports produces their seat covers. They're inside right now preparing the seat covers, cutting the fabric, stitching the fabric. Let's go inside and check out the facility, check out how the seats are made, and most importantly, show you guys some behind the scenes of exactly what goes down at Blacktip Jet Sports. But let's go inside and check it out. All right, behind this door right here is where the seat covers are being made. This is Blacktip Jet Sports. All right, so you guys got to see how they're cut. They're getting all the patterns ready, all the fabric materials, sewing the seams together. Now we're gonna walk over to another area of the Watercraft Superstore campus here in Clearwater. They're gonna be deinstalling the old seat covers, pulling all the staples, getting them ready, prepping them, and then they're gonna put the new seat covers on. But let's walk over there, quite a distance, way over there on their campus. Hey, what's up, guys? We are back at the warehouse, and you guys got to see how these seats were made start to finish over at Blacktip Jet Sports, from picking out the fabric, stitching them, sewing them, peeling off the old fabric, the whole 9 yards. But we've got them back here at the warehouse right here. We're gonna put them on for the first time. This is the carbon fiber white with the silver carbon fiber trim. This one is going on the GTI, my wife's ski. She is gonna love it. Boom. Fits good, looks good. The stitching is amazing. This is literally like factory fit. I love it. They look good. Anyhow, let's move on to the black carbon fiber with the silver carbon fiber trim. This one's going on my GTR, and love it because it's got the carbon fiber, which complements the Florida Ski Rider logo that has the carbon fiber inlay. I encourage you guys, if you have an old seat and you need to replace it, check out Blacktip Jet Sports at shopsbt.com. If you got a new ski and you just want to personalize it, they made it super easy. You log onto the website, you can put in your year, make, and model, and it's going to show you different templates of where you can put different colors or different patterns. Like you can have the silver carbon fiber here, you can have red carbon fiber, any color you want, you can mix and match. It's going to show you when you log on a diagram of your seat and where you can put different color inlays. Anyways, shopsbt.com, Blacktip Jet Sports.